Hey, good morning, guys. I'm going to do a mic, external mic test. Actually, it's a wireless mic that I picked up. It's the Movo wmx-1, and it's an awesome mic. It's supposed to have a tremendous amount of distance, so you can hear my voice like maybe 50 feet away, I believe. So let's do a test and let's see how far I can be away from the phone, the cell phone, to see how long or how far I can be heard. So this is the Movo wmx-1. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to keep walking back. Look at you. There's a cat there. Keep coming back. Keep going back. Going back. Going back. Okay, this is probably about 20 feet away. And I'll keep going back even further. All the way back. You guys should be able to hear me, even though I'm wearing a mask. You can see a kitten in the window over here. It's a pretty cute kitten. All right. Okay, now I'll turn my back this way. Now let's see how it does if I go back inside the building. Will it pick me up? Will it pick my voice up inside the building? Let's see. I'm over here behind the wall. I'm gonna go inside the building here and see if you can pick my voice up. Still recording. Go back. All right, I'm back over here, guys. You can't see me, but let me see how far I can go without losing my voice. I'll go as far as down here, all the way down to the corner of the street. What's the distance? Far away. This phone. Okay, here I am. Okay, I'm back over here now. Let me see what the results of the test look like.